Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your doodle crafter, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. So let's get started. These are the materials required. So this is almost 6-inch circle, and I'm going to divide the circle into 6 equal parts. After dividing the circle, draw a triangle with third side a curve so it looks like a smaller version of that piece. After drawing the triangles, cut out that portion. And guys, please be careful while using the X-Acto knife. Cut out each of the triangles. Repeat this step with the other circle also, and there you go, that's what it looks like. Now cover the wheel with black chart. Each wheel needs 3 cutouts like this. This is what it looks like after covering. Now mark points in the middle and where the line ends and poke a hole. After that you need 2 bamboo sticks. I already dyed them black. I cut 3 strips of 6 centimeters each from one bamboo stick. You need 6 of these. Whenever you insert the bamboo sticks, put glue on the end so that it sticks and never moves. Insert the strips the same way as I told you. After sticking, this is what it looks like. Now take a black chart and measure 4.5 and 5 centimeters of rectangle and cut out 6 pieces of rectangles like that. Into the rectangles you can stick photographs. I am sticking pattern paper so that I can show you guys how it looks. After sticking, keep it aside and let it dry. Now you need a stand for the wheel. Cut out 2 of them and then cover it with black paper. Cover the stand as we covered the wheel. After covering the stand, make a hole on top and stick it to the bamboo stick near the wheel. And there you go, that's it guys. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my Instagram page to find these products. Link in the description box. Thanks for watching.